The build's ruined. I'm done. We're not going to SEMA. Forget it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Today's the day. We're gonna start taking this thing apart. So we got in the shop. We're about to take the bed off today. So we're just unbolting everything. I'm gonna take the taillights out. I'm pretty sure Truckmaster has a really good coverage of actually doing this. This bed is trash. Half the bolts are broken. It's messed up. So we're just gonna, I already started to try and take these off. These two screws for this thing, and it broke. So those are broken. Taking the taillights out next. We're gonna pull the stack out, get all the stuff out, and then pick this thing up and take it off the truck. So just gonna kind of tear it down. There's a few bed bolts somewhere. I don't even know where anymore. There's supposed to be one there, but it's broken. There's supposed to be one there, but it's also broken. There's probably two more up here. There's supposed to be one, I think, right there, but it's probably broken. Oh, there's one right there. At least we have one bolt holding the bed on. So, oh yeah, there's supposed to be one right there. It's broken. See if we can find any more. There's supposed to be one right there, but it's broken. And there's one right there. So we got all of like 3 out of 6 bed bolts. Doing great. So welcome to the New England Rusty Duramax stuff. And Eric, he's gonna help me. And Austin. I'm gonna try. We're gonna try. Alrighty guys, real quick, took the bumper off, which was like a bunch of bolts like this that just hold it on. You guys saw me install it. I showed you all the bed bolts, so we got them all off. You can see how trash this thing is though. That's New England for you. But it's all undone. We undid our wiring harnesses for our lights from under here, so there's no issues. We're gonna pull the truck out and try to get the bed off real quick. The build's ruined. I'm done. We're not going to SEMA. Forget it.
I think I can fix it. I'm out of here. I'll fix it. I can Does this? It's fun.
Oh,
oh shit.
Alright guys, so obviously a little premeditated. There's a lot of good reason. You guys saw the rust already. And we kind of want to turn this into an informative video. Obviously we destroyed the bed, but the whole bed side on the inside here, I don't know if you can see right up there, it's kind of destroyed now, was rotted out. There's a bunch of rot on both sides here. Actually, this will be a good side to show you. You can see how bad the rot was on this bed, so it was scrap metal anyways. The fronts were broken, everything was all fucked up, so anyways, we these are things that you want to look for when you're buying a truck, and especially from up north, is you always want to check under the bed sides, the wheel wells especially, all that good stuff. So pretty much you just want to make sure everything's not rotted. But basically this is gonna go ahead and start the build off. So I don't know if we're gonna put another bed on it yet, or if we're gonna build a flatbed or something. So drop in the comments below what you guys think. But yeah, it's time to start taking this thing apart for SEMA. So that pretty much does it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. It was something fun that we thought of, because we were like, how can we get this bed off? We didn't want to move stuff around the shop. I know it was messed up already, so we decided just to go ahead and take it off ourselves. So anyways, that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll come up with a game plan. Drop down below what you think we should do for this. And yeah, the build continues starting now. So we'll catch you guys later. Make sure to stay tuned, and yeah, see you guys soon. I'm out.